Have you observed? Bandla Ganesh, a normal comedian. Normal comedian. Remember, normal comedian for his daughter's marriage, two states CM, both states, Andhra CM, Telangana CM, next almost all the people, sir, came, attended that. Just a normal comedian. Is what technique is always going to use. There is one open heart with RK. His interview is there. Just to go through that, go through that. Only one thing, man. Pleasing opposite person. Giving special importance for the opposite person makes him to reach this position. అసలు మనం ప్లీజ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటే ఎవడైనా పడకుండా ఎట్టుంటాడు సార్. ఎగ్జాక్ట్ దిస్ is the word he used. If you are going to please the opposite person, everyone is going to fail. Definitely. Okay, this is the statement he used. Yesterday, Chiranjeevi birthday, day before yesterday, he gave the speech. If you want, you can, all Telugu people, if you want, you can see Bandla Ganesh's speech on Chiranjeevi birthday in YouTube somewhere. You can see how the, what we can use the word, the pleasing, the prizing, giving importance for the opposite person. You people can see that nature, that behavior, sir, make this person to be top.
He he used one sentence also, sir. We are praising God also. Daily we are praying means we are praising God. Similarly, whoever giving work to us, they are God for us. So what is
Yes,
the wrong in praising them?
correct. My God, Pavan Kalyan. That Pavan Kalyan came to the industry because of this Chiranjeevi only. That's why he's also my God. Have you observed, right? He's also my God. What that emotion, that talk, that he is not having any shy or shame to praise opposite person, man. Remember that. So the opposite person can do anything for him. Anything for him. That is the power. Give importance for the opposite person. Like a wonderful example. This person, he aware the technique. That's why. So do you know? He's always down in front of opposite person. There are some other group is there. Okay, anti for this. Then he's going to talk like anything with those people. But for this group, for his gods, it's always just like Hanuman, Lord Hanuman, how he is showing about Rama, that kind of feeling. Yes, he's always going to do.